Alright guys, just walking through the estate, getting a wee bit of exercise. Here's the wall of the Bellfield estate in Kilmarnock. Today is February 22nd of February 2021. Lockdown is beginning to ease, schools go back on the 8th of March. And this is the wall of the Bellfield estate house. Now it's just a bowling club and a football park where the Bellfield Royals play. Aye, nice day out, first nice day in weeks. Still a bit chilly. It's to be expected, it is still February. Aye, so this is the estate and that's the wall. And that's where a door used to be. Aye, sad now. All the old architecture just gets knocked down, it's no fair.